eDoctor Plus is your personal online healthcare service. You can now book an appointment in a convenient and available time. Available slots can be seen on a specific date that suits you. You can either log in as an existing patient, or register as a new patient. You as a patient can choose between home consultation, telephone consultation, or video consultation. This appointment will be confirmed after secure online payment within eDoctor Plus. After consultation with your doctor, your prescription will be generated electronically, which will include prescribed medicine, its dose, frequency, and number of cycles to repeat. This prescription will be electronically sent to a pharmacy nearby, or your medication will be posted to your home. Any proposed medical tests will be sent to nearby laboratory. Contact us for more details.